The future of automated pipe spool welding. Every fabrication shop is facing the same challenge. Higher production demands, skilled labor shortages, and increasing pressure to deliver flawless weld quality. The Rotoweld 3 was built to solve those challenges. As one of the world's most advanced automated pipe spool welding systems, Rotoweld combines robotic automation, intelligent welding software, and decades of proven engineering into one fully integrated solution. Powered by PerfectPass-iQ technology, the system automatically adjusts welding parameters in real time to compensate for variations in pipe fit-up and joint preparation. The result? Consistent X-ray quality welds with minimal operator experience required. Every weld is documented. Every cycle is optimized. Every shift becomes more productive. Compatible with leading workflow software, including MSUITE, Stratus, and PipeServer, Rotoweld easily fits into today's connected fabrication environment. If you're looking to increase throughput, reduce labor dependency, and produce world-class weld quality, MacTech can help you automate your pipe fabrication operation with Rotoweld 3.